two. 1, 2, 3, 4.
तुम्हारा जन्मदिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो श्वेता। बहुत खुशी होता है तुम्हारा जन्मदिन है। ईश्वर तुमको लंबी उम्र दे। तुमने घर में आके बहुत सा सुख नया नया हमको दी। हमारी अब कुछ कमी नहीं रह गई जीवन में। तुमको पाके हम धन्य हैं। तुम सदा सौभाग्यवती तुम्हारा बना रहे। तुम भाग्यशाली हो तो तुमसे भी कहीं भाग्यशाली हम। तुम खुश रहो हमेशा। ईश्वर से हमारी यही प्रार्थना होती है और कुछ नहीं। तुम्हारा जन्मदिन मुबारक हो।
तुम्हारा जन्मदिन मुबारक हो और लंबी आयु हो और यही प्रार्थना है, आप स्वस्थ रहो।
थैंक यू।
आज 6 अगस्त है और हमारे लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल डे है ये, क्योंकि आज मेरी प्यारी बिटिया श्वेता तुम आई इस दुनिया में और हम लोगों को बहुत सारी खुशियाँ मिली तुम्हारे आने से और मिल रही है। तुम ऐसी हो कि तुम्हारी एक मुस्कान सारे दुखों को लेकर चली जाती है और बहुत सारी खुशियाँ हमें दे जाती है। तो बहुत स्पेशल हो तुम बेटा हम लोगों के लिए और ईश्वर करें तुमको बहुत दुनिया की सारी खुशियाँ मिले। दुखों का कोई एक साया भी तुम्हारे ऊपर ना आए। हमेशा खुश रहो अपने परिवार के साथ, सबके साथ। और फिर से हैप्पी बर्थडे बेटा, लव यू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे श्वेता। आज 6 अगस्त तुम्हारा बर्थडे। पता ही नहीं चला समय कैसे बीत गया। अभी अभी हाल में तो तुम्हारा जन्म हुआ था और तुम्हारे जन्म से ही हम दोनों प्राउड पेरेंट्स बन गए और देखते देखते फिर आज तुम नवीन की हो। तुम्हारा अपना परिवार है, बाल बच्चे दो हैं और ये समय कैसे बीता, यहाँ तक हम लोग कैसे पहुँचे कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। खैर ये बहुत खुशी की बात है और इस पैंडमिक लॉकडाउन में भी हम लोग तुम्हारे साथ हैं। तुम्हारे बर्थडे में ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। बहुत बहुत हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन। मम्मी विल टेल समथिंग।
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल। ये मेरी हम दोनों की है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू निकू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
थैंक यू।
Hi Sona, I know you are out and we are doing a spy work behind you. Just wanted to wish you through this video. And probably when I was making this video, I realized first time when we met in Delhi, and I don't know why I was just thinking that day, and I think sometimes when you make a small decision in a very few moments, that makes a big difference in your life. और शायद वही था वो दिल्ली वाला दिन। So, wishing you a very, very happy birthday and love you so much. I know if at all I have made myself, I have been successful, you are behind it, and I think it's the right time to tell you this on your birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Mama, happy
Thank you
birthday.
for being in my heart.
Happy birthday. Oh boy.
हाय, हैप्पी बर्थडे। आज बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग सा दिन है क्योंकि आज तुम्हारा बर्थडे है। तुम्हारे बारे में क्या कहूँ, बहुत ही बिंदास, बहुत ही फन लविंग, एक रूम में जाती हो तो वहां रौनक ले आती हो, ऐसे लोग तुम्हें डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, इसलिए लोग तुमसे बहुत अट्रैक्टेड भी रहते हैं। योर स्माइल, हंसती हो, लोगों को हंसाती हो, लोगों का केयर करती हो, मतलब अपना क्या चल रहा है तुम्हारे अंदर, तुम खुश हो दुखी हो वो दूसरों को नहीं दिखाना है, वो अपने अंदर रखना है और अपने आप सॉर्ट आउट करना है। लेकिन दूसरों के लाइफ में जो खुशी लाना है वो तो कोई तुमसे सीखे। मेरे लिए तो तुम हमेशा एक प्रोटेक्टर और एक शील्ड की तरह रही हो। रिमेम्बर दोज टाइम्स जब मैं छोटी सी बच्ची थी, हम बाहर जाते थे और तुमको लगता था बाप रे इसको कोई छुए नहीं, कोई भी बॉयज इसके पास नहीं आए, इतना प्रोटेक्ट करती थी, तो हमेशा हाथ ऐसे रखती थी मेरे सामने। तो वो छोटे छोटे मेमोरीज है। ऑफकोर्स तुम बहुत करती हो, मैं उतना नहीं कर पाती हूँ क्योंकि, और सबसे पॉजिटिव थिंग अगर मैं सोचूं कि मैं डेज हो जाते कि मैं तुमको कॉल भी ना करूं, लेकिन तुम कोई एक्सपेक्टेशन ही नहीं रहता है तुमको लगता है कि बस मेरी बहन खुश रहे, वो अपने हस्बैंड के साथ खुश रहे, अम्बेश के साथ खुश रहे, तुम बस वो खुशी देखना चाहती हो। और मुझे याद है जब एक मोमेंट मैं सोचना चाहूं तो जब मैं अम्बेश को बोली थी कि मैं उसको लाइक करती हूँ, तो तुम वो पहली थी तो जो आके सपोर्ट की और तुमने बोला कि नहीं, अगर इसको पसंद है तो मतलब मुझे भी वो पसंद है और उसका डिसीजन बिल्कुल सही होगा और मैं अम्बेश को उतना ही प्यार दूंगी, ये तुमने कहा था और आज तक तुम वही कर रही हो। मुझसे ज्यादा अम्बेश को प्यार देती हो, इतना प्यार देती हो, तो ये सब देख के मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है। मुझे लगता है कि ऐसी क्वालिटीज शायद मुझ में भी होती तो शायद उतनी नहीं है, तो कभी तुम्हारा आज बर्थडे है तो तुम्हें थोड़ा अच्छा बोल सकती हूँ आज। एनीवेज आई जस्ट विश कि तुम्हें सारी खुशियां मिले, जीजू तुमको बहुत जगह घुमाए एंड जो नेक्स्ट ईयर हो वो तुम्हारा बेस्ट ईयर हो। ऑफ कोर्स दिस ईयर इज लाइक हम लोग सब घर पे बैठे हैं, बट नेक्स्ट ईयर आई एम श्योर तुम्हारा बर्थडे ब्लास्ट बहुत ही अच्छा होने वाला है एंड आई जस्ट hope and wish that you keep smiling forever and ever.
हेलो दी, हैप्पी बर्थडे। आपका बर्थडे है आज। तो वैसे तो आप मेरी साली लगोगे, बड़ी साली, बट मैं आपको दीदी बोलता हूँ और फर्स्ट डे जब से आपसे मिला हूँ तब से आपको मैं दीदी ही बोल रहा हूँ। और अपन ने जो बॉन्डिंग बनी है और अपन ने जो मस्ती की है वो आई थिंक मुझे लगता है अगर अपन नहीं होते तो पूरी फैमिली बोर हो जाती, राइट? कि अपन ही मस्ती करते हैं। तो अपना मस्ती आपको याद है, अपन ने मलेशिया में मस्ती की जब पहली बार अपन गए थे, फिर पुणे की पार्टी, और घर पे तो ऑफकोर्स अपन पार्टी करते ही रहते हैं। सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू द पार्टी टुगेदर फॉर एवर। ओके, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैव अ ब्लास्ट। ऑफकोर्स साथ में ही मेरे बाय। हैप्पी बर्थडे, बाय।
Happy birthday, Mom. You know, when I am happy, sad, or any other emotion which I have, you are there with me to support me, to make me happy, and yeah, I'm so grateful for having a mom like you, and I love you a lot. Once again, happy birthday, Mom.
Hey Shweta, wish you a very happy birthday. And Ipsita asked me to make this video for you. It just took me back in time, to all those years that we spent together in Bishop Westcourt. You were such a bubbly, the most popular girl in our batch, and my first best friend in school. And I don't know if you know this, but as soon as you left school, I just pestered my parents that since my friend is gone, I don't want to continue in the school anymore. And I did not. And but you know how it is with school friends, even though we've not been constantly in touch, I'm going to be there anytime you need me. I'm just a phone call away. And wish you all the happiness, Shweta.
Hi Shweta, wishing you a very happy birthday. We both have some wonderful memories of our teenage years in Baroda, and I'm sure we both always remember that. Wishing you again a super splendorous birthday. Enjoy and have a blessed year ahead.
Shweta, first of all, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. I must say I was pleasantly surprised when Ipsy approached me to say a few words about you on your birthday. And these few words actually took me back to 2003 when I first met you in a chance meeting. The Dhanbad connection really clicked, and here we are. After 17 years, with this friendship, love and bond really growing strong. You were my savior in Chennai, I must say. We both landed immediately post our marriage in this new city where at least I knew no one. And you as I said, you were a savior. Roaming in the city, exploring the places, eating out, moving together. I think those days were fun. And if I think about those days, missing those days, missing the place, I think you were one of the prime reasons for it. So here's to our love, to our friendship, and wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. Loads of love, luck, and happiness for this special day of yours. Bye-bye.
Hi Shweta, how are you? Kaise ho? How is Naveen? Bebo? I hope Bebo is grown up now. And Coco? Arre baapre, kitna cute hai wo. Really so cute. I see all the messages what you send in Facebook. And first of all, let me tell this. Many, many happy returns of the day. Welcome to the 40th club. Wish you a good health and happiness all your life. Well, I just remember that, Chennai is always about you and Vaishali memories. So I still remember हम तीनों और बच्चों के साथ we went to MGM Resort and we stayed there, and it was really all night. हम तीनों ने सोया नहीं, कुछ नहीं, बस we were just talking and never ends. So I just really miss you, Shweta. आ जाओ यार यहाँ पे, US पे आ जाओ. US में we'll just going to have fun. Your sister, I should say thank you to her. She got a really good idea about this making a video of yourself, and I'm happy that I was a part of it. And well, enjoy your day, and happy birthday to you once again. Bye.
Hi Shwetu, many more happy returns of the day, and my best wishes on your 40th birthday. I miss you a lot. How is Bebo and Coco? बहुत सारे यादें हैं तुम्हारे साथ. हम लोग स्विमिंग जाते थे, गप्पे मारते थे आपके घर के पास, और छठ पूजा में भी आई थी मैं तुम्हारे साथ. बहुत मिस कर रहे हूँ. हम लोग बातें नहीं करते थे, आज से हम दोनों पास में ही. I wish you a very, very happiness in your future life. Okay, bye. Let's meet soon.
Hi Shweta, happy birthday. Happy 40th. Can't believe it's your 40th birthday, dear. Remember, whenever the August comes, you keep reminding all of us that, my birthday is coming. So we can't forget. No, we never forget your birthday. Have fun with all your family members, especially the smallest one. And I clearly remember we first met, I think it's near the bus stop at Uniworld City. And you remember my all wrong Hindi, but you are such a friend that I can talk hours with my wrong Hindi. So is something, and we shared so many memories, dear. More than you, I think I miss your red car. We traveled everywhere, all the food joints of Newtown, Wow Momo, remember? And all the memories, especially our Bokhali trip, that is something that bonded all three families of us, you, me and Roshni, in a common thread. We never forget, never ever forget. So it's all the mixed emotions whenever Shweta Malik comes to my mind. So yeah, it's the best part of you is whenever somebody remembers you, at least in our group, that a smile comes to everybody's face. So all the parties, all the impromptu parties in your Cascade home, we just drop our kids to any of the class, that is not important, and then we gathered in your home, and all the fun, and I think we all speak our heart out with you all the time. So yeah, don't worry about your 40th. Age is just a number, you know that. And have fun. And I'm really looking forward to meet with you. I don't know when, this pandemic and COVID situation, but definitely I'm hopeful that we will meet soon and we will start from exactly where we left, right? So again, all my best wishes. Every time, you know, it's all with you, and I'm really proud that and humble that you, at least Ashi, thanks to Ashi, that she told me to record this small video. And that's it. Say hi to uncle, auntie, Suhana, love, and your Coco darling, Naveen. Have fun, dear. Bye bye.
Shweta, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. On your birthday, I take this opportunity to tell you that may Lord give you all His choicest blessings. Be always cheerful and joyful as you are. Shweta, जीना कोई तुझसे सीखे. You know, I've always told you this, and these are my wishes for you. कि जहाँ पे भी रहो हमेशा खुश रहो. Whatever you do, spread the joy around. That is what you're good at. So be happy always. Now, Shweta, you are one of those few buddies with whom, wherever I have led, there has been never an issue picking up a conversation back. So no matter how many years later we speak, we are back to square one where we left. I mean, that's the comfort that you give me, and I'm sure you do that with a lot of your other friends. And of course, you know, you attract friends because of your joyful nature and cheerful disposition. So may God give you all the choicest blessings, and may joy be forever in your love. Shweta, on your birthday, I take this opportunity to tell you that, you know, my medicine days were memorable thanks to you. You know, the Taj Connemara days of ours are one of the best memories I have of my Chennai stay. So I'm sure a lot of your other friends also have their beautiful memories with you. That's what you are. So may you remain like this always. God bless you, sweetheart. So wishing you once again a very happy 40th birthday. So let me rub that in. God bless you, sweetheart.
तो नहीं मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर ये हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई शायर तो नहीं मगर ये हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई. Very, very beautiful. Happy birthday for you, Bobby. I just thought of taking a song, Bobby song for you from Hindi. I was not able to find. So I took a song from a movie called as Bobby. Have a wonderful day. Cheerful, happy birthday to you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Shweta, happy birthday. And I hope you're having a great day today. I really miss you on this day, and when I think of all the fun and the good times we have together, I mean, those are like kind of the memorable, the happiest day I had in my life. And I just want to tell one or two incidents, but it'll be really hilarious, and I don't want others to get to know all the naughty and mischievous things that we have done, especially the lot of secretive things. And anyway, it's going to be a great day, I think, because a lot more people will be wishing you, I think, today. Have a nice day, and have a very good birthday party with Coco, especially the biggest gift we have been blessed with. We have been similar in most of the ways, and I'm so happy that we both have a boy. And happy birthday, Shweta.
Hi, bestie. Wish you a very happy birthday. Wish you love, happiness, and everlasting joy throughout your life. And our friendship will be the same no matter where we are, but it's going to be the same forever. And love you loads, miss you, and again wish you many more happy returns of the day. Bye.
So, Shweta and I met in the strangest of ways possible. We first met in a Zumba class when we both started, and I think we stayed just long enough to become friends, and then we both quit the Zumba class. But of course, our friendship has stayed on for much longer, and she's one of the kindest, most creative. She's also the most generous person I know, one of the most generous people I know. I think she has a hard time saying no to anybody. She's also one of the people who will never say no to even the craziest of ideas, which is why I think I get along so well with her. And speaking of crazy ideas, I think she had some really, really crazy plans for her 40th. And sadly, because of the pandemic, we can't do it. Shweta, I am so sorry. I seriously wish I could be there to celebrate with you and give you a great big hug. And I wish this birthday brings you everything that you ever wished for. So happy 40th once again. We shall definitely party when all this is over.
Happy birthday, Shweta auntie.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Shweta. Have an awesome day ahead. Always be happy-go-lucky, Shweta. तेरे को देख के फर्स्ट आई रिमेंबर जब हम मिले थे, you were the person who made me do my first modeling. तो जब मैं तेरे घर पे आया था, I was so nervous and scared कि ये क्या क्या करवाएगी मुझसे. And I used to call you Masterni. So happy birthday once again, Masterni, and have a fabulous one. जल्दी मिलेंगे और हाँ, आप पार्टी तू देगी.
Hi Shweta, wish you a very happy, naughty 40th birthday. May you keep shining and be bright just like the way you have always been in our lives. So, वैसे तो बहुत सारी कहानियां हैं तुम्हारे और मेरे बीच में जो हमारे इस बॉन्ड को बहुत स्पेशल बनाती है. हम तो सीधे साधे कॉन्वर्सेशंस को भी काफी ह्यूमरस बना देते हैं और द काइंड ऑफ जोक्स इट लीड्स अप टू हम शायद पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म पर या शायद किसी और के सामने भी नहीं बोल सकते. But there are two very special occasions which I want to talk about. So the first one is that, you know, when we met up for the fashion show for the first time, I had told you that when Sujita and I were dating, वो मुझे I love you बहुत कंजूसी से बोलता था और उसे बहुत घबराहट होती थी. और I don't know what made you pick काटे नहीं कटते for us. You made him Anil Kapoor and me Sridevi. And he actually made him say I love you in front of I don't know how many people. And that I love you brought that same blush on my face, which I must have probably experienced 20 years back when he proposed to me. So thank you so much for that beautiful experience. I always cherish that, and that's the beginning of our beautiful friendship also. The second instance was that when Coco was born and you were back home from the hospital at Kandivali, and you know, we used to keep trying to come very often, but kuch na kuch ho jata tha and we would never be able to make it. Ek din one day in the morning you just called and you said, chal aaja. And I also dropped everything. I said, acha, aa rahi hu. And I came, and that's the first time I met Coco. And he was so small and tiny, and I was just there, and you were like, le isko. And I was like, okay, wait. And I sat cross-legged on the bed, and then I realized that वो बहुत छोटा है, और you know, there's a gap, और शायद वो उसमें से फिसल जाएगा. And I was so nervous, and I was searching frantically for a pillow to, you know, cover up that space. And I was so nervous, and you just like, अब ले भी ले इसको, and you just gave it in my arms. And that moment, I was so touched कि ये इसकी शायद जिंदगी की सबसे प्यारी चीज है, और उसको पता है मैं कितनी घबरा रही हूँ, पर तुझे एक पल नहीं लगा उसको मेरे गोद में दे देने के लिए. So the kind of trust and the kind of love that moment has in my heart is extremely special. And I can only promise you one thing, baby, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, वो प्यार और वो ट्रस्ट मेरे लिए बहुत precious है, and nothing in this world can ever take that away from me. So be just the way you are. Take care of me, and I'll take care of you. Make me understand when I go wrong, because you have that right. And I love you loads. Take care. God bless.
Hi Shweta, a very happy birthday to you. You're the sweetest and kindest person I know. Your sensitivity has taught me quite a bit. I hope you have a lovely year ahead.
Happy birthday Shweta. love you, bless you, love you loads. Thank you so much for making me part of your fashion shows. Will always be indebted for that. It was lovely rehearsing with you, and I can't tell you how much I enjoyed. I had just no idea that the very me, Shivani, could be part of such kind of an event, and you gave me that confidence that I'll do it well, and I actually did well just with the help of you. So now, have a great year ahead, great birthday, great good times. Yes, I do miss you here because I couldn't eat before coming, but I'm coming to Mumbai very soon. We'll be together very, very soon. Love you so much, and I just can't forget that incident, Shweta. Do you remember while getting onto the stage? That was the funniest. You asking for two opposite stuff at the same time. You remember now? Bye. Bless you.
Hey, hi Shweta. Wish you many happy returns of the day, darling. Love you so much, Shweta. Shweta, कुछ मेमोरी शेयर करनी थी आज मुझे. इप्सिता ने ये टास्क दिया था कि दीदी के लिए कुछ मेमोरी शेयर करनी है. एंड तुझे पता है अच्छी वाली मेमोरी जो सबसे अच्छी थी तो तूने ऑलरेडी शेयर कर ली थी मेरे बर्थडे पर कि तू कांदिवली जा रही थी और मैं रो रही थी. एंड मैंने कहा था तू आएगी एंड यू केम बैक. बट उसके भी पहले मुझे याद आता है फैशन शो की एक मेमोरी थी मेरी तुझसे जुड़ी हुई. आई वॉज सो नर्वस जब पहली बार मुझे लगा था कि तेरे साथ तू मुझसे फैशन शो करवाएगी. एंड आई वॉज लाइक मैं और फैशन शो, मैं तो उस टाइप की बिल्कुल हूँ नहीं यार. मैं क्या करूँगी फैशन शो में? ना मुझे डांस आता है, ना मैंने कभी स्टेज पर ऐसा कोई वॉक किया है. बट इट वॉज यू हु रियली बिलीव्ड इन मी एंड यू टोल्ड मी दैट आई वुड बी एबल टू डू इट. एंड सच में तुझे बोलूँ, मैंने सिर्फ वो तेरे लिए किया था. And that smile on your face was worth it. श्वेता, वो तो सिर्फ शुरुआत थी. उसके बाद में मुझे खुद को लगा नहीं था कि हम इतने क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हो जाएंगे. We are inseparables and you know that. तेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं है अभी. एंड तूने मुझे सबसे बड़ा गिफ्ट दिया है हमारा कोको. कोको ने हमें और क्लोज लाया. You always been a true friend. Been supporting me like a rock. एंड तू तो रॉक स्टार है रे मेरी. तेरे बारे में मैं क्या बोलूं श्वेता, मुझे खुद को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. इन सच अ शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड हो गई तेरी और मेरी. पता नहीं, मुझे बहुत सारे इमोशंस एक साथ मेरे दिमाग में, दिल में सब आ रहे हैं. एंड आई थिंक सिर्फ तुझे लास्ट में यही बोलूंगी, आई लव यू एंड आई विश यू ऑल द हैप्पीनेस, पीस एंड जॉय ऑफ द होल वर्ल्ड. एंड यस, पार्टी अभी बाकी है मेरी जान.
Hey, happy birthday, gorgeous. Hope to meet you soon and party hard. Cheers.